After you manage your projects, then there is one tool that I really, really like that I'm going to show you right now. Because to find ideas, one of the biggest mistakes that I see is that beginners tend to just reinvent the wheel. They want to come up with a crazy concept, crazy things that are never been done before. And most likely this idea will fail, especially at the beginning. You never want to reinvent the wheel. And even in my level, I'm always trying to find inspirations from either social media, from Pinterest, from Instagram, from YouTube, or even from potentially real life that I see from movies, and just try to combine ideas and see whether I can actually come up with the structure that is unique to me, or just changing the hook, but having a structure that is similar to other people. It's very, very important that we do not reinvent the wheel. We're going to waste a lot of time. So there are two ways on how I find my ideas. One is to do it manually, scrolling through Instagram, because I think Instagram is just going to feed you whatever works for the algorithm. And I think it's super, super powerful. Or I use Sandcastle, and I'm going to show you how it works right now. Sandcastle is a very cool tool that, again, allows you to find competitors and analyze whatever is working on the platform, and then just save them, analyze these videos, and then potentially take their structure and then use it for yourself. So I'm going to show you right now that inside of channels, you will be able to save all the competitors into a list. So right now, this is just a demo that I want to show you. I saved 5 of my competitors, and including me. So we can see that these people are into the AI space like myself, and these are all friends. Then once I go into videos, I will be able to use filters to decide what I want to see here inside Sandcastle. So for example, I decided, okay, I have this list right here that is the top educator. So this is the list that I created. Then there are all the channels. So if I want to remove any of the channel that I don't want to see, I can remove it here. And then we have the posting date. So let's say I want to check only the last 3 months of content that have been posted, and then I can check for the platform, and I can also filter by outlier. So the outlier is basically saying I'm going to analyze one channel. I can see that the median views or the average views is 50K per video. Then I want to see only the videos that performed either 50K or maybe 100K or 150K. So we find outliers. This is how we actually repeat a process that has already worked, and therefore we are not reinventing the wheel. Very, very important. So let's say we write a 3x outlier, and then if we want, we can set a minimum amount of views and also the engagement rate. So right now, I can see that between us and all the other competitors that I selected, we have a bunch of videos that we can take inspiration from. Now, let's say I'm going to take this video from Ben. I'm going to go into the video, and then here I can see a lot of different data, so different metrics, the description, the transcript, and then also the hook analysis and the hook structure and the hook analysis and the structure analysis. So basically, Sandcastle is breaking me down why this video has worked. And I can see that there is a style analysis as well. And I can take all of this information and just study them and decide how I can potentially remake this video with my own voice. So I'm never saying to just copy and paste all the words. That's not how you should do it. But you can take the structure of the videos that already worked, understand why they worked, and then repeat it for your own kind of niche, for your own video. So here I can see that for the hook analysis, this says, here's how to do X in Y. And this can be super powerful because you can use it for your own content, for your own niche, and just substitute X and Y with your own topic that you want to talk about in this video, right? So this is very, 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 very strong. Then you can use it to add projects, save to Vault, and do other things. But also what you can do is that once you find outlier, you can also go into the next step, which is scripting. So here there is a QR code in case you want to access this tool right now that I'm going to show you. This is called Poppy. And not many people know about Poppy, but I think is extremely powerful because Sandcastle allows us to find ideas, to find outliers. Then what we can do is that we can take those outliers and then import them into Poppy. And now let me show you what Poppy is. Poppy is basically a whiteboard that allows you to paste in anything that you want, including scripts, including voice notes, including web pages, YouTube videos, reels, any sort of media. And what you can do is that you can put them into groups and then link them to an LLM, let's say to ChatGPT or to Claude. And therefore, we are training the LLM, whether it's ChatGPT or Claude, with these creative materials that we just pasted in this whiteboard. So this, again, is another demo. At the very top, I created a group called Target Brief. And here I have added a bunch of reference that the company gave me. Okay. So these are, let me just take these videos right here. These are two videos that the company gave me a reference. And then there is a brief that I got from this company, let's say Arcuts, because right now I need to make a video about Arcuts. And then we have the landing page of Arcuts. So this is the targeted brief. And my goal right now, what I'm trying to do is just to make a video in a script for Arcuts AI, which is a tool that allows you to do UGC content. Then what I did is that I created another group called Sferros Videos, which are my videos. These are my top performing videos. So I'm training the LLM with my top performing video. And I don't need to explain it. I don't need to write any text. It already knows once I link it to the LLM, just by simply taking this and then linking it to the LLM. That's it. Now it means that this box, which is the ChatGPT, let's say, will allow us to reference everything that we link to it. Then I created a third box, which is called Rourke's Videos. Rourke is another top player in my industry. We are friends. He's amazing. So let's say I want to take inspiration from him. I can paste here the top videos from him, and then I can just link it to the LLM, and then I can reference Rourke's videos. Then I've also added a bunch of YouTube videos that explain how to script videos. So these are amazing creators that have made unbelievable YouTube videos, and therefore I'm just pasting them here so that I'm training ChatGPT. Okay, make sure to read these scripts and just like script my content based on these guidelines. And again, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this and I'm going to link it to the LLM. So now we have it linked, all of it, and then we can go inside. Let me finish the linking here. Boom. Then we can go inside, maximize this chat. And now this chat knows everything that I've attached before, right? So I can just go here and then I can literally type based on Sferro's videos, write me a script about our cuts, which is the brief that we attached, where you have all the information needed inside the brief target group. So that was the first group. Make sure to use the structure and the flows described in the guides on scripting viral AI videos, which is the last group with YouTube videos that I pasted in, and also Rourke's videos. And then here we're gonna have a complete script that can be basically already pasted in and recorded into our content management system, and it looks amazing. So the hook, for example, is described that here's how you can create unlimited AI ads that look completely real in just a few clicks. This is a perfect hook. I would not change anything. And the best part, you can be the face of every single one of them. So here's exactly how to do it with Arcuts. First, record yourself holding the product. Then take a screenshot of your best frame. Now go to Arcuts and select the Add Actor section. So it knows already everything that has been done already and how you do it. Isn't it crazy?
It's so cool. Like, if you want to watch the entire episode, click here. And if you want to watch more episodes like this, click here.